What is up, guys? It is the Incredible Ox. Welcome to another video. My name is Adrian, and today I am going to show you guys the magic of editing with CapCut. So, guys, you are in good hands. I am really good at editing. I have edited since I was 7 years old. I started in 2017 with an editor called Video Show, and I have migrated to so many editors. Well, not migrated, I have transferred to so many editors. For example, Power Director. Power Director has a watermark though, but CapCut doesn't. So I will reassure you of that. So let's get started. Go into the CapCut app, and this app is free. Now you can see there is a tag that says Pro, except you don't need the membership. Almost everything in the app is free, and it's really good editor. By the way, this editor is made by TikTok. So what you want to do is press the new project button. It's a big blue button, and you want to press the videos you want to add to your video. Now I'm adding one video today, and this is a demo video. Okay guys, so what can you add to this video? You can add audio, you can add text, you can have overlays, you can add effects. You can add a lot of stuff, and if you press the edit button, you can do so many stuff. You can do split, you can do speed. I'll just let you read through it. Yeah, a lot of stuff. So that's all you can do with just that edit button. But there's a lot of stuff you can do. For this video, I am going to add some text. So press the T. It is the third button. And you want to press add text. Okay, so I'm gonna write, this is a demo video. So I am gonna save that. I might resize it slightly because I put capitals. I'm gonna put it up here. Now, if you want to change the font, I'll show you how to do that. Now, if you want to change the font, you have to press Style is the third button on the bottom. And you want to press the font tab, which is the first button. And then you can choose from so many fonts. Look at all of these. A lot of them are free. Maybe a few are not, but we're just gonna add a font. I did something wrong. Okay, so we're gonna add a font. There, that's better. That's a really nice font. Then you press the check mark, and then it adds it to the video. Now guys, if you want to add captions to your video, CapCut has that built in. You can automatically add captions. CapCut will do it all for you if you don't want to add it manually. All you have to do is press the text button and then press auto captions. Now, if you see anything with these pro tags, that means that you need the membership to use these. And now, this one right here is free. It doesn't have the pro tag. I'll press that and then press start. Now as you see, CapCut is adding the captions, and then auto captions created. Now look, it adds like words to your speech. It's speech to text basically, which is what captions are. So let's play the video. This is just a video for a video I am making to show how to edit with CapCut. So this is just a video I made for this video. My 6 Squishmallow. Now, if you want to edit the caption, like for example, maybe it said a name wrong, like it wrote a name wrong, or maybe it didn't understand a word you said. So, what I really said is she's my 6th Squishmallow, but it says chose my 2nd Squishmallow. 6th Squishmallow. So what you want to do to edit it is press on the text and then press it again, and then you can edit it. So I'm gonna write she. I think I said she was my 6th Squishmallow. And then you just press the check mark. And then watch this. She was my 6th Squishmallow. And it edits the caption. I can't truly remember. I think she was my 9th Squishmallow. So this is basically, I got 3 on my birth. Oh wait, 9, 10, 11. No. So remember again, you can edit the text. So you can press on it, and then you can press it again, and then you can edit it. So 9, 10, and then add a 1 because and then you can press the check mark. So I had 8 Squishmallows, 19. I got 3 on my birthday. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. I'm just reading out this to show my other Squishmallow. Wamina. So once again, you can edit the text. I keep on saying that. Her name is Wamina, but it says Wellmina. So press on the text. Press it again. And then move the cursor where you need to edit the text. I'm actually gonna add a capital. So if you're wondering how I'm doing that cool thing, I'll show you. This right here. It's a feature. I'm gonna show you it quick. All you have to do is press and hold down the spacebar until the letters disappear, and then you can move your finger across the spacebar, and then it moves the cursor. You can also move it across the whole keyboard, and then it moves the cursor wherever you want. That's just to clarify something if you're wondering. Nina, what the heck? That's her butt. No, it's a belly button. Oh, by the way, that's Squishmallow. Wait. Oh, that's her belly, but not her belly button. So we're gonna edit the text. Oh, by the way, that Squishmallow over there is... We're gonna edit the text. We're gonna edit the text. That's Squishmallow. It's not spelt like that. So what we're gonna do is edit the text. I just want to look at it.
over-
Squishmallow.
Oh, by the way, that Squishmallow over there.
Let's edit it. That's Squishmallow over there.
No, it's a belly button. Oh, by the way, that Squishmallow over there is
whatever. I'll just keep it like that.
It's called
a graduation Squishmallow.
Because I graduated. 8. And this is my water station where I drink
but I
water.
didn't. I graduated to grade 9, and I just said it wrong, and
that's refreshing. And yeah.
So, like I said in the beginning of the video, I said it doesn't have CapCut doesn't have a watermark. Well, it does, but you can delete it. I'll show you. Just press on it and then just press delete. It doesn't charge you anything. It doesn't charge you a cent, which is actually really, really nice. This editor is made by TikTok, and this is the video. Now, you can do a lot of other stuff. For example, I want to add some stickers. All you have to do is find the stickers tab. And then you can just add anything. I'm going to add a subscribe button. Video. I'll put it here. And then shorten the duration of how long it stays there. So now look.
This is just a video for a video I am making,
which is really useful.
How to edit with
now
CapCut.
You can add music if you want.
Her name is
I'm not gonna add music to this. I'll just show you how though. You go to audio, and then you can choose from copyright check. You can choose to check if there's any copyright in your video. You can press on sounds, and then you could choose from a vast library of songs. Or you can add your own sounds. For example, I added so many sounds. This is Xenogenesis by The Fat Rat. Oh, no, that's not it. That's not it. All you have to do is just press the plus. And then it adds it to your video. And that's how you edit in CapCut. Now, comment down below if you want me to make a more clear video. And so you guys will understand better. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, like and leave a comment and subscribe. This has been The Incredible Ox, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, hold on, guys. I almost forgot. If you want to export the video, you press this up button, this up arrow button in the top right corner. You press that, and then it exports. I'm not going to export it, though, because... yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching, like I already said. So, peace.